Yes, hi, I'm Chef James, and I'm about to show you how to make Filipino Lumpia. Okay, you will need 1 pound of ground beef, 5 ounces of shredded carrots, 1 onion, and 5 ounces of shredded cabbage. So, and then you'll need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of ground garlic. And you'll need half a pack of lumpia seasoning. And here's the wrapper that you will need to wrap the lumpia. Let's get to work. All right, now we're ready to start rolling the lumpia. Okay, you might have to heat up a little bit of warm water with a flour and make it into a paste. This is what you would use to glue the lumpias together. Okay, let's start rolling. You'll have to get the lumpia wrapper, and you would see that it's square. You want to turn it into a diamond shape, and you will need maybe a spoon and a half just like this, and you would fold it and then start rolling it. And then once you roll it, you want to fold the sides and then fold the other side, and you want to roll it slowly. And then you could get your paste now and put a little paste in the end and roll it. That's how you would make a lumpia. All right, once you're made your lumpia, if you're making plenty of lumpias, you want to get a Ziploc bag and put it in a Ziploc bag. Once you fill up your Ziploc bag, you would put it directly to a freezer until you're ready to cook.
So James,
what?
Who taught you how to make lumpia?
Oh, well, my grandma teach me how to taught me how to make Filipino lumpias.
How old were you?
I was 12 years old. All right, now let's start cooking. Now here's your beautiful lumpia with sweet and sour sauce.